when we live in this world where we are so swayed by social media, swayed by other people's opinions, and kind of unable to think for ourselves. For you, it led you to a path where you became a revolutionary musician and you paved the way for all of us, basically.
Well, you got to get off social media at least for 5 or 6 minutes. Because you'll never make a good decision if you're thinking about what other people are thinking of you. It's just not possible.
This is about the people speaking. And of course, New England is famous for that, the people weighing in. Another Republican president, Abraham Lincoln, he said, public sentiment is everything. With it, you can accomplish almost anything. Without it, practically nothing. But for public sentiment to weigh in, people have to know.
No, we're not leaning in. We coming in swinging. We coming in swinging. Bottoms up.